Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick. All right, guys. Today I want to talk about some of the my boring life. Okay, yes, guys. I have a fairly boring life that tends to be can get a little hectic. Okay, but can also be a little well. That's a whole different story. But I want to tell y'all about my day. Okay, typical. What's the day? Typical Wednesday. All right. Yes, I go to work. I have a day job, guys. You must understand. Yes, I do. I have a day job, a real day job. I got a boss and everything. I got rules I have to abide by. Okay. Yes, I have a 9 to 5. So got that out the way. Yes. Now, what do I do when I get off work? Technically, basically, more work. Okay, more work in the form of media, multimedia, okay, not physical. Now, that is the case in some cases. I will leave the shop and go to another Brothers Motors, my other shop I go to, and indulge in more car activities, okay, car repair. So, in a nutshell, now I'm not a workaholic, but in a nutshell, when I leave work, I'm back to more work. If I'm home, I'm here at my station, okay, which is actually work. This is work, guys. What I do, I have to get on the computer and figure out, or not figure out, because you know, I got a lot of things to do. But what I do is get on the computer and well, I guess I can use the word figure out what I'm going to edit this time for future videos. Now, what I'm talking about is my channel, my YouTube channel. All right, yes, I have solely dedicated this channel to automotive. I don't know if you look at the past videos, you will see things from music videos all the way to wedding videos to videos in general to club scene videos, Uber videos, rideshare videos. Now, the bulk of my time is spent on automotive repairs. Okay, that's why I should have been doing 5 years from now. Okay, there would not be a need for, in my opinion. I don't want to go there, but yes, when I leave work, there's more work, especially when I'm right here. Now, so what I'm going to talk about is a couple of incidents, man. And I don't want to come off as sounding harsh or hard, but I think this could essentially piss people off or piss off people, and that's not my intention. But I have no choice. And what I'm talking about, I have my channel pulled up. Yes, guys, I come right in here, sit down. Sometimes I catch flack. Of course, I go speak to the, hey, how y'all doing? What y'all doing? How was your day? Blah blah this, blah blah that. An hour later, right here, until I'm doing one of these numbers in this chair, knowing good and well I got to get up in the morning and do it all over again. But that's just the because this is easy. Editing videos is easy to me because I was a previous videographer. So that part is easy. Now, recording the footage, it can be easy. In some cases, it can't. But putting it all together takes time, which makes it works. Which make it work. Okay, yes, it's a form of work. Now, let me get to my point. Okay, now let me pull up a different screen, guys. I want y'all to see something. All right, guys, this is my YouTube screen. Now, what I want to show you guys, and I'm gonna, some of this stuff is personal, but I don't care. I want y'all to see what I go through on a daily basis. All right, first thing I do, I get over here. I will go under notification. Okay, yes, I will scroll and see who has put up things and who has. This is a location where people comment back off a comment that I've made from their comment. Okay, so back and forth issue. But yes, from this screen, I can see who posted last, who just posted notification. This is my notification spot. This guy's garage, Astro Auto Repair is always over here. These guys are working, man. Much respect to these guys. Everybody, I don't want to leave anybody out. So a lot of that's why I see Justin Dow up here. Living for Christ. Philly D uploaded. Yeah, everybody's. Oh, is that junk from work? I ain't heard from him in a while. What's going on, JFW? Okay. Well, anyway, that's the section I go to first, just to get a feel for what's going on. Now, the second area I go to is here. All right, and I go in the YouTube studio. Okay, on the YouTube studio. Now I will blur some of this out, guys. You guys don't need to see a lot of this stuff, but here you can see how well the video is doing that I just uploaded. Blah blah. This question, latest comment. Latest comments mean the people who have just commented. The latest. All right. Published videos. This is how well they did. Typical video, man. It can vary. I mean, it can vary. These can start off low, a day, 3, 4, 500. Next week there'd probably be 1,000. It depends. Like I didn't stop paying much attention to that because the video gonna go where it's gonna go. Some of my best work videos didn't do so well numbers wise. Okay, and some of the ones I just throwed out there, big numbers. So I can't even worry about that anymore. Now, but the point of this whole video, guys, I want to show y'all something. Okay, here's some of the changes I had to make, guys. All right, no longer can I'm gonna keep getting questions. I can imagine that. All right. I do repairs and I specialize in a brand, meaning FCA, Chrysler Jeep. So the bulk of my subscribers own such vehicles. So yes, and the bulk of the viewers own such vehicles. So from time to time I understand they're gonna have questions. And guys, I have only one request. And you will see this on some of my comments. Could you please thumbs up the video and could you please subscribe to the channel? That's all I ask, guys. That's all I ask. But for some reason, that is asking too much. So here's what I had to do because my subscriber number has grown thanks to YouTube and you guys. Thanks to you guys and YouTube, my subscriber number, I'm almost at 30,000. Okay, that is a lot compared, considering. Just say I never thought I'd get that high, and it's only growing. All right, now with that being said and that being known, here's some changes I had no choice but to make, guys. And I'm not being a butthole. I just had no choice. Now let me go back to the other screen. All right, so one of the things I would do, I would go in the comments to look at the latest comments, and here you would find some of the latest comments and even questions. Now, these are my buddies, man. 69 Dark Man, frequent my man. I appreciate Dark Man watching the vids, the comments, all that helps out, guys. Now, but for the most part, guys, here's one thing I look for, right? All right, y'all see this little orange thing right here? That means you're subscribed. Okay, I know that. So the first thing I do, like I say, I check my notification. I come here on the comments. These are the people I go straight to, unless you an original, Now, this doesn't mean I'm not gonna go to you if you don't. All this means is your subscriber list is public. Okay, meaning the public can see it. My guy here, see now, his subscriber list is public. So this will show up. These are the guys that I go to first. And if I recognize the name 69 Dart Man, you see he don't have one. Easy does it. He don't have one. I know these guys. They are subscribers. I know that. So yes, I'm gonna catch up with them also. But for the most part, these are the ones I go to. Now this little blue thing right here, that's even more. Receive one of the highest number of hearts from you. So this is capering. This guy's garage. Yes, of course I'm gonna respond, comment, or whatever to these guys. Now, everybody else, I'm gonna get to them after I get to these. Because here's what has happened. There's not enough time in the day, guys. It's simple as that. It's really not enough time in the day. Okay, and I can't get to everybody. So, but what I had to start doing, guys, now let me show you something else. First of all, look at this big warning YouTube gave me. Not a warning. Your hard work paid off. Publishing more videos help your channel get 37% more views than usual. More views than last month. I'm set up on the last 28 days. So basically, this is a month time. So in a month time, in the last 28 days, I have accumulated, get out the way, 376K views, watch time 18.2, subs 1.8. Okay. Now, as far as here we go, 26,800. Now, I want y'all to look at some of the subscribers. Okay. I'm on the subscribers right now. As you can see, what is this? March 22nd. That was yesterday. No, that was, yeah, depending on when this video upload. All right, 93. I got 93 on March the 22nd. Let's scroll down to March 21st, 78. Okay. 65. I mean, it just goes up and down, and it adds up to about almost 2,000 a month, guys. And that's because when I do answer a comment from somebody I don't recognize, I merely be so kind enough to ask them to thumbs up the video and please subscribe to the channel. Okay? That way, your name will be locked in my head. If I see another comment from you and that little orange symbol beside your name, I'm coming for you. We're going to discuss whatever issue you have. This video is too long, guys. That's all I have, man. It's not a ranting video. It's just some moves I had to make in order to better allocate my time. All right. Okay, I want to show you an example of what I had to start doing, and this still don't work. Okay, let me get one, and I'm not picking on these guys. It's just something. Okay, my notification. Let me go under my notification. All right, let's go under this guy right here. Puto Bang replied. Okay, he commented earlier, and I took time out of my life to respond to his comment. Okay, let's go. Let's dissect this, guys. We need this video in English. Okay, I suggest that he turn on the thing where you can read it, just in case he have a hard time understanding what I'm saying. All right, he goes on to explain. I'm having the same problem right now. We changed the trans fluid. Just a big old technical question, right? So here, look at my response. What kind of car you have? Any codes? Also, are you subscribed to the channel? All right. Here's what he put. Jeep Cherokee Latitude 2016 codes with a question mark on it and not yet, sir. Now, I guess and not yet, sir is answering this question. Are you subscribed? What else do we have to talk about? For the most part, again, I cannot waste time. Now, he could be a nice guy. He answered the question truthfully, maybe. He just hadn't got around to it. But I have to move on to those gazillion questions and comments I already have. I cannot, and that we done. We essentially done at this point. Okay, nothing against you. Let me catch up with everybody else, and then I'll get back to this. But by the end, you know what I'm saying? It's who knows what happened, but I can't take that chance, and I can't waste any more time on my man. Again, no, I'm not dogging him out. I'm just saying the procedures that I had no choice but to go to. All right, so here's another one, guys. Let me show y'all something. Okay. All right, right here. My man Chris Skinner replied. Let's go to his original question. Oh man, I got a 2012 Dodge Charger SE 3.6. It has the same code. We're talking about the code that was in the video. All right, now look at my reply to him. All right, it's a decent question, decent comment. Hey, bud, this is a multiple cylinder misfire problem, but is the car actually misfiring? And look what I wrote after that. Also, are you subscribed to the channel? Look at his reply. No, I don't think it's actually misfiring. He goes on to continue to talk about his problem. Nowhere in this whole big sentence or statement or paragraph does he mention, yes, I'm subscribed. Now, this could be for a number of reasons. I mean, the guy's hysterical. He really want to know what's wrong with his car. Ain't got time to go and subscribe to JT channel. I understand that. But now, do you see a reply on me afterwards? No, because at this point we're done. Like, what is there? I have to move on to subscribers, people that I'm familiar with, or people that I can't waste any more time. And this is a genuine question. I hate to leave this guy hanging like this, but I can't spend any more time trying to figure out his problem when he don't even have the decency to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I mean, he just totally disregard the question. And I start putting it in big bold letters like, also, are you subscribed to the channel? That's at the very end. So technically, that's the last thing you're going to see reading my comment. So that should be the first thing you answer if that's the last thing you saw. So his question, his comment should have been, yes, I am subscribed. And then go on to proceed with, no, I don't think so. It's actually misfiring, blah, 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 blah. I can't waste any more time with this guy. And like I say, he could be a nice guy. Just there's not enough time in the day, guys. I have to move on to subscribers and people I know already. Now, there are some ones out there that would just blatantly lie and say, yes, I am, just to get their question answered. That's going to happen. And I can simply go to your subscription list and see if I'm in there. And if you blatantly lied to me and I find out you're not, I'm just going to block you because I don't have time to track you down, chase you down, and make sure you subscribe. That's petty, man. I don't have time for it. I'm just going to block you. You're not going to be able to come over here and just get you free information, or I don't charge for this stuff. I just try to make earn revenue by way of YouTube's advertisement. Okay. I mean, you merely watching the videos, I don't know what that does for me. The view count goes up, okay, but right now it's about the ad revenue. And I'm not gonna sit here and suggest that everybody watch the ads. I mean, that helps the channel, but I can't do that. I'm not allowed to do that. So uh I, the best thing you could do for me is give me numbers. Okay, with numbers, I can accomplish other things. I can grab potential sponsors. Okay, they look at how many people watch you, or how many people have watched you, how many people know you. They look at things like that and base their sponsorship off of your numbers. So I need numbers in the form of subscribers. That's why I'm pushing that issue. Subscribers doesn't put a lot more money in my pocket. It is a numbers game sometime with YouTube. So I understand that, and I just play the game as it's dealt to me. Okay, the hand is dealt to me. So I'll try to go by that. Now, it was something else I want to speak on before I get out of here. I just wanted to cover this, man, because this is very important. If you comment, if you question, ask deep technical question, and I go to your channel, your subscription page, and I know what you got. Scotty Kilmo up there, you got Erico up there, you got Eric the Car Guy, you got Astro Auto Repairs, all these big boys, you got all of them up there, but you asking me your little petty questions. I mean, I want to be on your list too. That's all I'm saying. Put me on your subscription list, guys. I don't want to sound petty. This sounds like a petty video, but I'm sorry I had to do that because I got me and one guy was going edit, man, just edit, edit, edit. Well, if you're not going to answer the question, I was like, dude, you just some fly by night in a shop looking for a quick answer. I mean, I'm there too. I understand your frustration. And see, but you're not even subscribed to the channel. I mean, I look at your list and everybody knowing the man. Why don't you go ask them? I mean, and guys, don't get me wrong. I just recently became this way because the numbers are growing. I had no choice. I have no choice. In the beginning, I don't care whether you subscribe or not. We're gonna talk. We're gonna socialize. We're gonna discuss your problem. You didn't have to do nothing, but guys, time changes. Things have changed. Okay, now I'm strapped for time. Okay, and I can't waste any of it on those that doesn't give me. I call it respect. Give me enough respect to at least subscribe to the channel. That is so easy, man. Oh my goodness, that is so petty and easy. I can't believe I'm making this video, but it had to be made. It had to be said because this is now a job. It's not even, guys. Sometimes I'm in here 8 hours a day. When I get off work, sometimes I leave work early, 5 o'clock. I'm in here from 5 to, what is an 8 hour shift? I don't know, 6 to 2, 5 to 1. Sometimes I'm in here from 5 to 1. Okay, editing videos, creating more videos, doing things that will better my channel. Now, that's all on me. I can live with that. Okay, I'm in the comfort of my home. All right, so I have no problem with that. But I just want to put this video out, guys. There was something else I want to talk about. Talk about. I can't remember what it was, but all right, that's all I have, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.